Okay, this is for those of you out there asking me about grain jars and what kind of lids I use. Alright, currently I have two types, right? One that has the injection port and one that doesn't. If you'll notice, there are also different lids. The material's different, right? Like this one's real shiny and smooth, and this one is kind of like a frosted, it's not shiny. Alright? I very much prefer these. They work much better on the jars. These over here will work, but I would not suggest using them. Now, as far as the two types, where we have one with an injection port and one without, I'm using two different types because I started out with the Broke Boy fan filter unit, the BBFFU. You may have seen a video on it or not. And I use these for that one, simply because I just had a much lower TAM rate with having the injection port. But with this one, I have an actual hood, and I don't need the port for this one. Since I graduated to the actual FFU hood, I don't need this because I just open the jars. I just ISO them down, put them inside on a trivet, and I can just open them because it's clean filtered air. So these are the two different kinds. If you're working broke boy style, definitely want the injection port. If you're working big boy style, you don't need it. These little patches that are on here, I highly suggest you buying them. These are from Microppose, and they are amazing. These lids have been through dozens of cycles, and these are still fresh as the day I bought them, and they work perfect. Now you can find these on eBay and Amazon, other places like that, but they are not this quality. The sticker on it is not 3M like these are, and the filters will, I mean, look, there's not even any, let me see if I can focus on that. There's not even any like fuzz on it. They're as good as the day I bought them. And like I said, multiple dozens of runs with these. Back when I bought them last year, they were $5 for a sheet of 50. I don't know what they cost now. They're probably a little more than that now, but nonetheless, you know, they were 10 cents a piece. Even if they doubled in price, they're only 20 cents a piece, and they last forever and do their job. They're also hydrophobic. So when you're sterilizing your jars, you don't have to worry about these getting moisture through or anything like that. It's not, if this is wet, it's not going to tam out your jar of grains. Anyway, these are the two different kinds of lids I've used. I highly recommend both of them for their own purpose, but again, look for the frosted type instead of the glossy type. These screw on and unscrew much better. Until the next one, happy cultivating.